Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide videos you liked on TikTok app step by step. First, go to TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the heart icon. You can see the videos you liked. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on Setting and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Liked Videos. Then tap on Only Me. Thus, the process of hiding videos you liked on TikTok app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.